In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear brake pad wear sensors on this BMW 535i xDrive. This is going to be located behind the passenger side rear wheel. Let's get into it. I'm going to remove the wheel. Use a 17mm socket. Take the lug bolts out. Before I take the last one off, I'm going to hold the wheel on, take that one off, and pull the wheel off. We're going to take the sensor out. I'm just going to use some needle nose pliers. Just pry that out. There is a little metal tab in there. If it doesn't come out with the sensor, you need to grab that with the needle nose pliers. Take the cap off the bleeder screw and the wire from that. Follow the wire back. Just pull those out. There's another grommet right here. Pull that out of the bracket like that. And the cover. Pop the cover off. Pull the connector out. Disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab. Slides right out. Take the connector. It only goes on one way. Line that up. Lock it in place. Put it back in where the door is. Push that down and close the cover. Latch that down and slide the grommet into the bracket right there. Come around. Slide this grommet in right here. And take the brake pad wear sensor. I'm going to go around the cap, push the cap on. There we go. And then push it into the brake pad. Lock it in place. Take the wheel, install the wheel. Make sure it's lined up. Take the lug bolts, get those started. And get the other one started. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 90 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.